For one big political move ahead of the September 21 governorship election for Edo State, market women from different parts of the state don't give their full support to the People's Democratic Party (PDP), wey be major boost for the party's candidate Dr. Asue as the state governor Godwin Obaseki announced say he don approve 1 billion naira to support market people. The market women, as dem come out plenty to publicly endorse Ighodalo, come turn the event into carnival-like celebration as dem dey sing, dance and show happiness. Madam Ogie, leader Edo Market Association, on behalf of the market women, come promise say dem go vote for the PDP candidate for the upcoming election. She come still talk say,
Mr. Governor, your achievements as governor are too numerous to mention, but we are confident that your successor will continue from where you stopped for the betterment of Edo people. We assure you that we have perfected plans to cast our votes for the governorship candidate of the People's Democratic Party, Dr. Asue and his deputy barrister Ogie, in this Saturday's governorship election to enable him continue and maintain the good work you have started. Victory is guaranteed for the People's Democratic Party as Edo people go to the polls.
Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki, as in the yarn the market women, come talk say,
this government, we don't decide, say we must support una. We must support una with money to help una business come up again. We know how una they do for market. Una they do is osusu. Every day una they contribute money, give another person, make you take do your own markets. So what thing I don't decide before I go, I want put 1 billion naira to help market women and other traders for Edo State. Make it help them business, make it go up. We go sit down with una, make una show us how una go do am so that the money they go round.
Governor Obaseki approval of the 1 billion naira support for the market people now one big strategic step to strengthen the PDP for the state. Even though say details on how dem go share the money never too clear, the move don already dey hailed as better way to support the trading community. With the strong support from market women and Obaseki backing small businesses, political observers believe say this kind development fit seriously affect the outcome of the 2024 governorship election for Edo State. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ogie, TMC TV News.